Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to cook stringless bean with potato. It's a very healthy, delicious vegan recipe. You can serve with almost anything. So I have cumin seeds. So I'm going to fry them a little bit, then add some onion. I'm not gonna make it too brown or golden brown, just keep it just make it soft a little bit. Mix it. Yeah. And after that I'm just gonna add the potatoes straight. So as you can see, it's not difficult that you don't have to follow too much procedure when to add, what to add. You just add almost one after one. Mix and let it cook for like a few seconds. I will just wait until like everything becomes a little bit soft, and then add some turmeric. It depends how much you want to use. I prefer lots of turmeric, it's healthy, so I don't mind. And mix them really well. Now I'm gonna cook for some times until you can't really smell the turmeric separately, like strong flavor of turmeric, so everything gets nicely blended. Now I'm gonna add those beans, nicely chopped and rinsed, and a tiny bit of salt. Depends how much you like, to be honest. Let's mix everything together, and after that, once everything is mixed, you add a little bit of water just to get that doesn't become too dry or doesn't stick at the bottom. And at this point I will just cover with a lid and let it simmer. That's it, it's almost done, and let me taste. It's hot. Wow, it's delicious, it's done, potatoes cooked, beans are cooked, so it's time to serve. So I'm just gonna take a plate and place it on top as it is, and that's it. It's done. Delicious string bean with potato. Thank you for watching.